Today, I'm going to explain what Nervevitali is and whether it actually works.
Nervevitali is a natural supplement designed to support the health of your nervous system, helping improve communication between the brain and body and supporting overall nerve function. Its goal is to target the root of the problem by improving circulation, protecting nerves from damage, and stimulating the regeneration of nerve cells, which may help with mobility and balance. The formula combines well-known ingredients like turmeric, Alpha Lipoic Acid, L-Carnitine, magnesium, and CoQ10, which act as antioxidants and support cellular energy and nerve health. According to the manufacturer, it may help reduce discomfort, improve coordination, provide more stability while walking, and support overall nerve health. It's important to remember that this is a supplement, not a medication, and results may vary from person to person. The product also comes with a 60-day guarantee. If you want to learn more or try it out, the link is in the description.